Last week, I showed you the Commerce Ace design system. This week, I want to show you something that proves why design systems matter. I took that same system, same tokens, same fonts, same rules, and implemented it in a completely different platform. Salesforce Storefront Next, enterprise headless commerce, React-based, used by brands doing tens of millions in revenue. Let me show you what that looks like. This is a fully branded Salesforce Storefront Next implementation themed entirely with the Commerce Ace design system. Starting at the top, the header, dark background, noise texture overlay, branded logo, navigation, all straight from the design system. On hover, nav items turn white with a branded red underline. Open a dropdown, Mega Nav displays with branded dark background, red top border, and an editorial card on the right that's actually dynamic. It pulls category data live from Salesforce Business Manager. And the header is smart sticky. Watch. Scrolling down, it disappears. Scroll up even slightly, it snaps back. Clean, intentional behavior. The hero is a full custom build, no third-party carousel. CSS only gradient backgrounds in 3 branded variants: sand, noir, rust, each with the noise texture overlay. Branded headlines, split layout, custom controls in the bottom right. Fade transition between slides, not a slide motion. Featured products, white background, branded red eyebrow, headlines, red star ratings, red pricing. Quick add-on hover turns to the brand red color, all intentional, detailed decisions. Category tiles pulling live from the Salesforce catalog via Scapy. Real data. Card lifts on hover, arrow turns brand red. Editorial dual promo, real product photography, full card hover with lift effect. Newsletter section, full bleed branded red edge to edge. Footer mirrors the header with the dark, noise texture, same token system throughout. And here on the left, you can see the entire thing is mobile first. Every breakpoint was handled from day one. Same design system, completely different platform, zero compromise on the brand. That's what a token-driven design system buys you, the ability to move fast across any technology without starting over. But here's what I haven't shown you yet. This storefront is about to get a lot more powerful. What I'm building next takes headless commerce to a level that nobody in the Salesforce ecosystem is doing right now. Next week, I pull back the curtain on what's powering all of this, and I'll give you a hint, it's not hard-coded. Stay tuned.